This video will briefly illustrate the concept of U substitution. U substitution, a method of chain rule that finds the derivative of a function by momentarily substituting out pieces of that function. U substitution is used when you cannot take the derivative of a function by using the power rule or simpler rules such as that. The concept of U substitution is to locate dy dx. dy dx is also known as the derivative. dy dx can be split up into two pieces, dy du and du dx. Notice that if you multiply dy du by du dx, you will once again return to dy dx. Let us start off with an example, but first, let's recap. By multiplying dy du by du dx, you will return to dy dx. Example 1. Let's say the function is given by 3x plus 2 cubed. We will remove a piece of this function momentarily and refer to it as u. U can be found in parentheses, in a square root, and in a power. In this circumstance, u will be known as 3x plus 2. Now we will find du dx, the derivative of u. The derivative of 3x plus 2 is simply 3. Now we will rewrite the equation without the chunk we have removed and in place a u. So y will equal u cubed. Now we will find the derivative of y to find dy du. The derivative of u cubed is 3u squared. Now by multiplying dy du by du dx, we will insert that with the numbers we've got. So we will take 3u squared multiplied by 3 to get 9u squared. To complete the rule, we will reinsert u, so that dy dx will equal 9 3x plus 2 squared. Now let us recap on the rule before beginning another example. The derivative, or dy dx, is found by multiplying dy du by du dx. And that will lead us into our second example. Let's say the function is given by sine of x cubed minus 5. We will once again pull out a piece of this function momentarily and call it u. U can be found in parentheses, in a square root, and in a power. In this situation, u will be x cubed minus 5. Now we will find du dx by taking the derivative of u. The derivative of x cubed minus 5 is 3x squared. Now we will rewrite the equation without the piece we have removed and inserted with u. So the equation will equal y equals sine of u. Now we will take the derivative of y and find dy du. The derivative of sine is cosine. Now to complete the general rule, we will take cosine of u multiplied by 3x squared. Cosine of u multiplied by 3x squared will give you 3x squared cosine of u. Now we will reinsert u to find dy dx. Therefore, dy dx will equal 3x squared cosine of x cubed minus 5. Now remember, U substitution is a method of chain rule that finds the derivative of a function by momentarily substituting out pieces of that function. The pieces we are substituting out are referred to as u, and the concept of u substitution is to find dy dx. You find this by splitting it up into two pieces. dy du and du dx. Once multiplied by each other, they cancel the du's and once again return to dy dx. And that is a brief illustration of u substitution. Stay hydrated, my friends.